Louder.
Yeah, it was 2004 when I see Jesus. It was morning around 6, between 6 and 7. I was hearing and I was talking to some of my friend was two in one bed. But what I realized, you can be with someone and you hear everything and you think another thing when you think something far from where you are. Because I was sleeping, hearing radio. After that, I think my soul take someone or God take somewhere, because I was hearing radio, but this is what I see. I see in the heaven Jesus was coming with too many angels. Then I said, Jesus, you came back when I'm still sinner. I ran. Then I go under of the table because I was fearing too much inside on me. But it was not me, my body running there. It was my soul, I think. I ran, then I go there under of the table. I said, Jesus, you came back. I'm still a sinner. I feel bad inside me because it was over. It was end of the earth. Everything was nothing. Everything is nothing. You can't say I have my brother, I have none, anyone. After that, I look up, I see Jesus was laughing on me. I was laughing.
Smiling or laughing?
Smiling. Then I came in my, I came in my real life.
How did Jesus look like?
Jesus was like, his eyes was like a fire here.
And the
And
hair?
the hair was white. And the
Blonde or white?
white, too much white.
Okay.
And here
The beard?
the beard was white. And the eyes was like fire. Then he was up, the angels was flying like this. Too much. It was too many angels. Then from that time, I went to the church. It was Sunday. I went to the church. I repent my sins. I received Jesus.